Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to record screen on Linux. So I will show you how to record screen on Linux on the Ubuntu distribution. If you are using something different, for example Debian, Fedora or anything else, it might not work, but you can download the program which name is OBS Studio. I recorded a video how to download OBS Studio, so you can watch that. But if you are on the Ubuntu, you can watch this video, and I think it might be helpful for you, because when we will go into show apps, right there, we have something what we call the application, what we call take a screenshot. And the default basically usage of the application is to take a screenshot of our screen. But as you can see, here we have take a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, we will just select the area and press on capture. But we have the second button right there. It is record screen. And in basically the same way, we can record screen from there without needing to install any other programs. So right now I will choose screen because I want to record my whole screen, and I will press on capture. And as you can see right there, we have a timer, and my basically screen capture started. So right now I can, for example, maybe go into terminal. Maybe I will, for example, write a comment, something like this. I can, for example, move to the download section, so like this. Maybe I can list whatever is here. As you can see, I have a distro installed right there. I can print my directory. I'm in the download section. I can close that, and as you can see, we are still recording the screen. And how to stop that? We have to basically tap right there on this blue square on the red background. So we will tap on it, and as you can see, screencast recorded. And where we can find it now, we have to go into files, press on it, and right there we have videos. We have to go into it and screencast, and right there is our video from the screen capture that we recorded seconds before. Double click to open it, and as you can see, we have our video. So everything went well. Here is the terminal, here is the comments that I basically wrote, and everything works fine. As you can see, here you have the full screen, here you have minimize the screen, and here you have the volume button. And to close that, you can simply tap on this cross right there. We can go back again and close that, and that's basically on this video. If you found this video helpful, and if you know right now how to record screen on the Ubuntu distribution, you might consider to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.